welcome to my channel. Students, today we have to solve another question from the past papers of O-Level examination, and this question is question number 10 from November 2022 paper 2 of the mathematics 4024 GCE O-Level. The question is about the angle and circle properties and trigonometry. The question is, part A is a circle is given on which there are A, B, C, D on points on circle. AC is its diameter. AC is the diameter of the circle, and ACD this angle, and CAB they are both equal angles. They are 40. It means if we say these two lines are parallel because they are the alternate angle of these two lines, so therefore these AB is parallel to DC. So question is, show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. We have to show that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. I solve it for you. Let's start it. ACB and CDA, ABC and CDA are congruent triangles. Now ABC, if we join this, then this is here and this is a triangle. So we have to prove that these are congruent. Here it is very easy because it is given that first property is angle ACD angle is equal to CAB, or the reason is this is given. This statement is given first. Also AC is equal to AC if this is the triangle CDA and this is the triangle ABC. We have to compare these two triangles. And why this is equal? Because these two sides are common. These are common side, or this is the diameter of the same circle, so these are equal. Now here this angle, this is diameter, so angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is always 90 degree, so this angle is 90 degree. Again this angle ABC is also 90 degree because this is also same diameter. So third property I say there is ADC angle is equal to 90 degree, and this is equal to ABC angle, and reason is because this is the angle subtended in a semicircle. So angle in semicircle. This is the reason. Reason is necessary to mention. So now this is 90, opposite to is 90 degree, and this is one angle also equal. So when there is a hypotenuse and an angle is equal, then these angles are congruent. Two angles and a side are equal, so it means this show that the triangle CDA is congruent to triangle ABC, and reason is angle side. So there is a property when two angles and side are equal, then the triangles are congruent. So we have shown that CDA triangle is congruent to triangle ABC. So we have shown this, and the property we used here is angle side. That's it. Second part is explain why ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. So to be a rectangle, we have to show that all angles are 90, and it is quite easy to show that, because look here, in second part we have to show that the given rectangle, we have to show that the given quadrilateral is rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle, but where this rectangle ABCD is a rectangle, is quadrilateral. Now very easy to show. I have in start I told you that since the alternate angles are equal, therefore these lines are parallel. So that we use that property here. It is given that angle ACD is equal to angle CAB. This was given, and this is equal to 40 degree. This was given in that statement. Therefore this means that AB line side is parallel to DC. Why? Because these are the alternate alternate angles are equal, therefore these should be parallel sign. Also we have shown that in the previous part that ADC is equal to ABC is equal to 90 degree. This means, why these are 90? Because they are the angles inscribed in semicircle. This is the property. So now it means the ABC and CDA are ACDA and ABC are right angle triangles. So we can say that ACB is equal to 50 degree, because this is one angle is 40, other is 90, so sum of angle should be 118, so it is equal to 50. Also CAD is also equal to 50 degree. Same reason, because one angle is 90, other is 40, so to make the angle, sum of angles in triangle 180, this should be equal to 50. This implies that BAD is equal to BCD, and both of them are 40 plus 50 is 90 degree. So all the angles are 90 degree and opposite sides are parallel. This implies that ABCD is a rectangle. So we have shown that ABCD is a rectangle. Clear? Part B of the question is, we have there is shown a circle, and it is given that E, F, G and H are points on circle with center O and radius is equal to 6 cm. So OG is equal to 6. Also OH is equal to 6. If we make OE, this is also 6. OF will also equal to 6. Question is given is EHO, this angle is 30 degree, and EFG, this angle is 116 degree. Calculate the shaded area. We have to calculate the shaded area. We have to calculate this shaded area. If we can calculate, or if you know this angle, then it will be very easy to calculate this shaded area, because this is sector. So this shaded area will be equal to area of this sector minus area of triangle. So to calculate the area of triangle or this sector, we should know this angle. This is very easy. Now EFGH is a cyclic quadrilateral. Any quadrilaterals whose all vertices are on the circumference of a circle is a cyclic quadrilateral. So there is a property of cyclic quadrilateral that the opposite angles are supplementary. So it means EFG plus this angle is EHG. These are the opposite angles. These should sum up to 180, because these are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. You can say that opposite, you can write the reason here, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the reason we get give here. So from here EFG is 116, so we can write that EHG should be equal to 180 minus EFG, and EFG is given as 116, so put the values. So EHG will be equal to 180 minus 116. When you subtract this comes out to be 64. So EHG, this whole angle is 64 degrees. Now we can calculate this OHG. So this implies that OHG will be equal to 64 minus 30. According to figure, because it is 30 and this is OHG and whole of this is 64 degree, therefore we can calculate the angle. So 64 minus 30 should be equal to 34 degree. So this implies that OHG, this angle is 34 degree. Clear? This angle is 34 degree. Now this is equal isosceles triangle, because this is 6, this is also 6, because both are radii. It means this is 6, both sides are equal, so this also should be equal to 34. Okay, so next I will write it. I can write that OHG is equal to OGH. वजह क्या होगी? Reason is angles opposite to equal sides of isosceles triangles. Okay, so this is the reason. This implies that this is 34, so OGH also equal to 34. Now this is very easy. Now we know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So HOG plus OGH plus OHG should be equal to 180 because sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So we have to find HOG. HOG will be equal to HOG plus this is 34. This is also 34. So this should be right here. Okay. Now 34 plus 34 is 68. So HOG plus 34 plus 34 is 68 should be equal to 180. This implies that HOG should be equal to 180 minus 68. So this should be equal to 112 because 180 minus 68 is 112. So HOG is 112. This angle is 112. So this angle is 112. Now we know the central angle of the sector. We can write the formula here. So it means shaded area is equal to area of sector. What sector? Sector is OHG. OHG, this sector, minus area of triangle OHG. Okay, so we can find both of them because angle is given. When a central angle is given, we can find the area, and formula for area of sector is 112 x over 360. X is 112 here into pi r square. R is 6, so pi into 6 square, minus when two sides and their included angle is given, then area of triangle is 1 over 2 AB sine C, or 1 over 2 here 6 into 6 into sine 112. So this will be equal to area of this triangle will be equal to 1 over 2 into 6 into 6 because A and B are both 6, and then angle is 112. Now we find the use the calculator to calculate this. First is 112 over 360. So I write 112 into pi into 6 square is 36. So I write 36. Then divided by 360. So this should be equal to 35.186. So I write it here 35.186 centimeter square minus 6 1 the 2 1 the 2 3 the, so this will be equal to 3 into 6. I will write 3 into 6 into sine of 112. This should be in degree and in degree. So answer is 16.69. 16.69. We have to subtract them. Okay, so this will be equal to 689 minus 35.186. So it comes out to be 18.497. 4966. So it can be rounded out to 497. So it comes out to be 18.497 centimeter square, which can be nearly rounded off to 18.50 centimeter square. So area of the shaded region comes out to be 18.50 centimeter square. So this shaded area of the shaded region is 18.50 centimeter square. So this completes our question, and this completes paper 2 November 2022 O-Level. Inshallah, in next video we'll start some other paper, and that probably will be June 2022 paper 2. Hopefully you like this video. If you like it, please hit like, share it, comment it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my new video. See you in next video very soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Goodbye.